Happy Sunday, Florida. It is raining wild. I waited until the rain is not so bad. I would like to show you that my plants had a very good bath today. Look at my new Monstera Aba. The Abo will be nice soon. I have all this from Chris Castaneda of Riverview. Big shout out to him. He has so many nice plants. And then these are my usual collections. They all had a good bath today. Look at my roses. They are all nice and good. Can you see the red one in the end? That is a nice one. A new one from Kirby's Nursery. I have my Hoya there. I repotted that one. This is a bigger piece. This one is Ate Lorelai's Adansoni. Look at they are all nice looking. Bathed and all. Rainwater is good. Nice. Look at my anahaw in the end. Rainwater. Good morning, everybody. Stay warm.